This is how to fix your 2014 Jeep Cherokee. Usually the window buttons break, because people use it a lot, especially the driver's side button. This one breaks. And what breaks is like it has like two little plastic pieces right there that hold on to it. The plastic is just little plastic. So when you pull on it, it just breaks after so much use. So it just breaks because of so much use. When you with so much going pulling it back and forth, it's just plastic. So it eventually just breaks away because they're attached to that. That's what makes that thing go down. Your switch, your button switch, and this is for a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, and then you could probably buy these in Amazon, or you don't want to go to the dealer. They're probably expensive. You could buy it online, and then just get it. You could probably switch it out, and but if you can't find them, you could probably just go buy the whole switch. You could probably get it in pickup parts. That's where I got mine. I want to get one, so I'm just gonna attach the new one there. All the buttons work on this one, and I'm just gonna switch it out. I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do is get a flat driver, and it has two springs right here, one here and one here. So all you gotta do is push this here. It should have like a little gap in there. So you just start putting it in there. You get it out. And that's it. You just pull it out. It's gonna have two connectors in there. And I already took it out, so I'm just showing you how to do it. But just remember, the big one goes here, the small one goes here. It's pretty easy. Big one here, small one here. And they're right there inside. And then so I'm putting in a new one.